Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to download DJI app into your Android phones. So in some reasons DJI Fly doesn't exist in the Play Store. For that reason you have to install it as an APK file, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So as you see, I have installed this in my mobile phone, and now it also requires the update. I'll do this later. And let's see together how do we do this. First of all, we have to go to Google and write there DJI Fly app for Android, and I'm gonna click on the first link, and then we're gonna click on this button. So in the meantime you can see that this APK is compatible with all of those versions of drones. We will click download anyway. Now as you see, it starts downloading. We will wait a while till it completes this download. After installation complete, we can tap on this and it will start installing. So it could require some permissions. You just need to let it go, and by tapping install it will start. So here we go, we have installed it. Let's open it. I agree. Is that all? So after a couple of things, I think it will be ready. Alright, congratulations, it's ready. After we complete installing this app to our Android, I want to remind you something by taking you to the first screen. So here you see that as we complete downloading this old APK file, in case you tap and it says not supported, not open, then we have to go to Play Store and install one of the APK installers. Okay, so that will help you out to install or launch the APK file. So I hope one of those ways will help you to install this app to your phone and enjoy flying your drone. All the best for you. See you. Bye bye.